Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm gonna give you a little tour of a brand new Sea Ray 23 SPX. It's got that Sea Ray blue hull, which just is like a mirror. Look at how nice that gel coat is. And this new stone interior for 2020 is a perfect pairing on this boat. So we got blue, gray interior, the new white 200 Mercury motor. Step aboard and show you the options. Entrance on the port side, nice walk-through. You don't have to step above the sun pad here. We just get an enormous sunbed on the transom. Lots of storage that opens up under there. Look at this L seating in the cockpit, dedicated cooler storage. It's got the new snap-in gray SeaDeck flooring, which feels great on your feet. Opposing seats on the port side, 2 captain's chairs. Boat is gorgeous, it runs awesome. Simple, easy to use, Fusion stereo system, 5-inch Simrad, which is a GPS, and fish finder, as well as your engine monitoring system. On the port side, we have a nice storage area and a marine pump out toilet. And then looking forward in the bow, look at the finishings of the upholstery. All metal hardware everywhere. Guys, this is available at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.